Ever wondered how a single device can make you feel like a filmmaker on the open road? Let's take you to a journey, not just through landscape, but through the eyes of Samsung S25 Ultra. Buckle up. We are going to explore how its camera turns ordinary moments into cinematic magic on a road travel. Between seeing some of the world and all of its spoils down to this S25 Ultra lenses, and the regular wide angle is like your favorite window view, solid, crisp and familiar. But when you switch to ultra wide, it's just not a photo, it's an invention. You're not just capturing a mountain or road, and you're telling the story of valley beneath it and flowers at your feet, the sky that never ends. It's contest, and that's what makes memories feel alive. That's where hyperlapse comes in. I set the S25 Ultra on the dashboard, hit hyperlapse, and let it compress hours into seconds. Watch how the road becomes a river of asphalt, and the sun does just set. It dives, and the hyperlapse isn't just fast forwarding; it's turning patience into poetry. The S25 Ultra slow motion mode isn't just about high frame rates. It's about finding drama in details. A raindrop isn't just water, it's a fleeting sculpture. And when you are racing towards destination, this feature whispers, pause, look closer, and look around. How beautiful the things move. No fuss, just a phone on the rock, framing the horizon. For some time, the static shots teaches you discipline. They force you to frame a story and let the world move while you breathe.
My, oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
Where you're going, it's about how you say it. The S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a storyteller. Wide angle for the grandeur, ultra wide for the wow, hyperlapse for the rush, slow-mo for the soul, and static shots for the moments that demand stillness. And the best part, you don't need crew, just curiosity, and maybe a full tank of gas.
My, oh my, my, oh my.
Change your angle and change your story.